Good morning, students. Okay, today I am going to explain some one more in 3 points of the according to circle unit. See here, what is the concentric circles? What is x intercept? What is y intercept? Okay, now concentric circles means okay, when we have a x intercept, when we have a y intercept. Oh, okay, then what is the equation of the circle? At the same time, that equation of circle, how it related to x intercept and y intercept. Okay na. So coming to the point, the first one is concentric circles. See here, look at the picture. Here some circles are together. This is the first circle, this is the second circle, this is the third circle. So the center is minus g comma minus f. Okay, so with one center there is so many circles respectively here. Okay, so with one center so many circle. For the first circle, this is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one. So the first one center is g of minus g comma minus f. The second one center also g comma minus c of minus g comma minus f. The third circle center also c of minus g comma minus f. Then what is the equation of this first circle, and at the same time which is concentric circle also available here? What is that circle equation also? See, look at here. Then c of minus g comma minus f, then equation of the circle is, we know that the general form of the circle s is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. And now this is the important point. Now what is the equation of a concentric circle? Okay, this second one is concentric, this third one also concentric. Concentric means only one center with so many circles. Okay, right. So what is that equation of the concentric circle is, we indicate this s dash is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c dash is equal to 0, because here the center is same for all circles. So that's why there is no change in g and f. Okay, but center the constant will change. Okay, you should remember it. So concentric circle is s dash is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c dash is equal to 0. Okay, this is the general form, this is the concentric form. Okay, right. The second point, x intercept. You know what is the interception? So one line intercept on x axis is called x intercept. If that line intercept on y axis is called y intercept. Okay, in this case, here one circle intercept the on x axis. Okay, in some one 2D coordinate, the circle intercept on x axis. Okay, so then if that circle like this, okay, if circle like this, see here, circle intercept at a point and b point also. This ab is the intercept of x axis. Okay, then so this is the center c of minus g comma minus f. Okay, so with the center minus g comma minus f, what is the equation of the circle? Obviously s is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. But what about intercept? How we find out the intercept? So coming to the point, x intercept is what? From a to b is x intercept. What is the equation? So that ab is equal to 2 of under root of g square minus c. Here there is no f, there is no relation between x axis and y axis. With circle there is no relation of y. So that's why we are taking here g only. G is the x coordinate. Okay, so the intercept, x intercept is 2 of 2 under root of g square minus c units. Okay, If one circle intercept the x-axis, what is the formula? AB is equal to 2 under root of g square minus c. Okay, right. Coming to the y-intercept. Okay, see here. Similarly, like this is x-axis, this is y-axis. For example, one circle like this exists as on y-axis. So this is the intercept of y-axis. Okay, this is the y-intercept. Okay, right. So similarly, like x-intercept also there is available y-intercept also. See what is the equation? You know what is the general form of C with center minus g comma minus f is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so what is the y-intercept? This ABI is y-intercept. What is here? Here related with f. What is that? F is equal to 2 under root of f square minus c. Because of the circle, the circle doesn't have any relation to the x-axis. Okay, so because of here, that's why g is equal to nothing. So AB is equal to 2 under root of y square minus c. Okay, right. So this is about concentric circle. This is x-intercept and y-intercept. See, look at here. This is the 1a. Okay, this is the this is the 1a exercise total. I explained already. I gave homework also. See, and here this is up to. This is also first bit. Second to up to 11th problems. So which topics I explained. So in that purpose, these problems are related to that formula. So you should do up to 11th bit. I will explain tomorrow 12th bit. Thank you. This is your total homework. Today you should complete up to 11th bit. If one problem not comes to you, you can ask individually. I will tell you. And read the question very perfectly. If you understand the question perfectly, then only you can able to do the problem. Okay, thank you very much.